Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Tsukaerude. Mada Tsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today's video is about the check engine lamp of 2003 Toyota RAV4, and I'm gonna show you the diagnosis. And actually, I found that the thermostat error code was detected. So I decided to replace the thermostat. I hope this fixed the check engine lamp. Okay, this is 2003 RAV4. Check engine lamp is on, and actually I once turned it off with the code reader, but it turned on again. So I think I have to repair the wrong place, and I'm gonna connect the computer now and read the code now. So this is the code reader. This can read the error code of the OBD2 RAV4. 2003 RAV4 use OBD2, and here is the. So this is the under the dash, the connector. So I connect this guy, and then it turns on. And turn on the ignition to the on position, and I press OK to diagnose. Read pose. Okay, so coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat. So I got the thermostat, new thermostat with the seal. The seal is sold separately. This is the thermostat. But the one issue is the location of the thermostat. It looks like this is the water, the cooling water pipe going into there, and thermostat is there. So I watched a few videos about replacing thermostat of RAV4, and each person does some their own way to replace it to reach that location. But to me, from this configuration, it makes more sense to remove the alternator first. So I'm gonna work on the alternator, completely remove the alternator, and work on the thermostat thing. Okay, so the first thing to do is to disconnect the battery, and then release the fan belt, and then disconnect these plugs, cables, and then remove the alternator. Alternator removal is not that difficult. It's really easy. There's only 3 bolts holding the alternator, so just release the bolts. So okay, I'll go ahead and do that. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take this bit off. Okay, this is the housing. I'm gonna crack open, and if I crack open that the flange, then the cooling water gonna drip down, and it's gonna go down straight. Actually, right below this, there is the AC compressor, and if AC compressor is, I think, sealed well, because otherwise the gas is gonna get out. So it's gonna just go along the body of the compressor, and then it's gonna drip down there. Okay, I'm gonna use this tray. Okay, let's start cracking open that guy. So 10mm nut. I see water is coming out. So top nut is off, bottom, and now we got the water coming out. So the nut is off. Okay, here is another thing. Some YouTubers claim that this because of the stud, this cannot be come off unless you remove this. This is air conditioning, the gas line. I don't want to remove that, so I will try to wiggle this. It comes off, I think. Okay, that's good. So if you remove the alternator, I think job is much easier than the other people's YouTube video. So this is good, and now I got the thermostat. Okay, so the thermostat is out. I don't know if this is defective or not. Looks like it was closed, and as soon as I popped open, it actually started to drip lots of the coolant there. So I'm gonna clean this seal surface. So I'm gonna put the seal rubber. This. Okay. And when I put this back, I have to make sure that the air bleed. This goes to the toward the up. Put this guy back. So I found it very difficult to put the flange entirely into the groove. So I think what I'm gonna try is try to center it as much as possible, and they put the other flange. Other flange is flat, and as you tighten the screw, the flange gonna push the rubber seal into the groove. I think that is how it's gonna work. So I gotta put this guy. Okay, I think I tightened this well, and when I was doing tightening, I was really careful about the making everything centered. and tighten the bottom one like 3 times, and then the switch to the top, so that it actually pushes the flange the level or the parallel to the other end. So, and also I check the gap constantly on the top, bottom, right and left, so that the gap is uniformly closing off, so that the seal is really touching the other seal surface well. If it's like angled, I think I'm gonna get the water leak here. So this requires the sensitive, the tightening, I believe. Okay, then I'm gonna clean up all the mess and put back the cooling water into the cooling system and put back the alternator. Okay, I put back the new thermostat. So now I'm gonna put back the alternator. Okay, top one is tight. Okay, bottom one's tight. All right. Now I'm gonna put the fan belt. Okay. Now it's on. I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna put back the electric port. Okay, alternator is on. Okay, everything is set. So I still keep this radiator cap a little bit loose, and since I think the thermostat is off right now, I'm gonna turn on the motor, and hopefully the water pump gonna feed all the topped off water here from here. So I need this guy to be vented, so I didn't really tighten it. So I close this, and I'm gonna see what happened to the water level. Okay, I drove about 48 miles, 47.9 miles, and no check engine lamp is lit, but the code reader said it's not ready. So according to the code reader, the readiness is still not ready. And if I read the readiness, the catalyst is not ready, and evap is not ready. So actually, this is actually taking longer time. So in that case, I would read the code. Then I get the pending code of other codes. So P0420 and P0430. So those are the different code as I got before I replaced the thermostat. So I think thermostat port is done, but I still have the new codes, so I have to tackle this code. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this video here. I think the thermostat replacement was fine, and I at least erased the one error code, but I got another error code. So this video will continue to tackle the check engine lamp. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.